So, fly, fly, fly. Here they come, hippity hoppity. Now sing. I got your voice.
Beginning. She did.
That's as much as I know, Carpet Man. Start from the beginning.
Yes, please.
Start at the very beginning.
There.
Well, first, a whole new world from Aladdin, and then Trust in Me from the Jungle. Play that song with the Jungle Book.
Jungle Book. Can I sing the Bare Necessities from Jungle Book?
Yes.
Sing Aladdin. I had a ghost singing the Bare Necessities from Jungle Book.
Trust in me.
I'll trust in you.
I'll trust in you. Just in you. I'll close my eyes and trust in you. I can sleep safe and sound, knowing you are around. I'll slip into your silent slumber. I'll sail to the silver mist. I'll slowly assure you to my senses. You see, to resist.
Thank you so much. Give him a round of applause.
I'll trust in you and just in you. I'll shut my eyes and trust in you.
Okay. He's never sung to a ghost before. First time. No, you're a nice ghost. Bye, ghost.
Bye, ghost.
Bye.
And Phantom, are you here to take me to dreams like dreams?